啊，OK，OK，场合，OK，let's begin the bedroom training.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, hello. Quick question. High
Uh,
level question. How do we edit the wall height if the project requires a higher ceiling, like let's say 4 meter ceiling, 4 meter
the
wall?
room
How
height,
do we
the
edit that
the
wall height?
uh, the, the room height. Do you mean?
Yeah. The ceiling, because like there's already a wall, right? The wall is already preset. So how do you edit the preset wall height, the ceiling height?
Or the
If the
ceiling
design,
height?
yeah, because the design, when you put the wall, it automatically generates the wall and the floor and the ceiling, correct?
Okay, I know what you mean. First, the room
Mm-hmm.
height. Firstly, we like this is the room, right? And
Mm-hmm.
let's click this one, and we can see in here. This is the room height in here.
Mm.
Okay,
Oh,
okay.
okay. So
In
so
here,
this is
this
in
is
the room
the room
parameter.
highlight. The default is 2,800.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
and then
So this is the room.
the ceiling height.
Yeah, the ceiling height is gonna be deducted from the room height. That's the reference, like negative 350, like yesterday, remember?
Oh, okay. The ceiling. We. I use like this ceiling. Okay, like this ceiling.
Yes.
In here. In here, like the ceiling. The ceiling height means this one, the sink. Like a minute.
Yeah.
The sink means from
Yes. The sink
here
is referencing,
to here, from the
correct.
top
So
to here.
basically the,
Uh,
yeah, the
uh,
base room height, the base ceiling height, the one that we established in the room, deduct the ceiling. That's the actual. So at least we can assess, correct?
oh. Uh, Pardon. Can you repeat again?
Okay, sorry. So I'm just assessing. So the main ceiling is the, let's say if you have cove light, right? You have a ceiling, you have double ceiling. The main ceiling that we're gonna deduct from the ceiling model is the room ceiling, the one from the room parameter, the one I'm asking earlier. Then since if you're gonna model the separate ceiling, the drop ceiling, that is the referencing on that main ceiling that we discussed earlier. That's why it's a drop from negative sink 300, meaning it's gonna sink from the original overall height of the room, correct?
Correct.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, okay.
Oh,
Thank you.
okay. And okay. Let's begin the room. The bedroom. Okay.
Yes, yes, proceed.
Okay. 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 And like here, like this. Today we will decide the bedroom. Like this one. Like like this one. Okay. Okay. Firstly, we can see this is the simple bedroom. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
firstly, we draw the forehand first. Okay, okay, and then we also click this one, the three walls.
Mm-hmm.
Three walls, and here we use the inner. We use this option, the inner. Okay, firstly, we left click and draw and enter the value. The value is 500, 5,700, 5,700. Okay, and then we left click or click the enter. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
next one is same. Enter the 4,000. 4,000. Okay, also click the enter. Then here, next one is 4,500. Okay, next wall is this two 2A18. 2A8. and also enter and move our mouse to here. We can see there are the green line in here. We just left click and then draw the next wall and the backdrop. The forehand is the finish. Okay. Okay, and then we change the room height. The room height in here, we can see the default is the untitled. So we need to change this room height. We left click this one, and then in here, we change to the master bedroom. Okay, and the height, the room height, we just mentioned in here. We change to 3,000. Okay, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then we uh, create a door, a single door in here, the room door. Okay, right in here. We left click and then we put a door to here first. And then if we want to change the opening direction, we just left click this one, and then we can see there are this icon, the turnover icon. Left click, we can see the direction is changed. Okay, and the hi- and the room and the door width we can change in here. The whole W in here, and the room and the whole height. It means the door height, like in here. So we can also change and this is a default. We can use this value, or we can change the 2,400. Okay. Uh, Here we can on the Y up on the Y up corner we can see the effects like this one. Okay. Okay, and then in here we can uh, draw a balcony door. The balcony door in here. Okay. Also put in here to the middle, into the middle, and also the width we can change to 3,000. The height we also change to 2,400. Okay, okay, and then we can see the effect here. Okay, and then we go into 3D, the 3D, and click this inside. Okay, oh, we need to save the scenes first. Save the scenes first. Okay, okay, and then we create a ceiling. So left click the ceiling, and then go into the ceiling design. Okay, firstly, we add the board in here first. This one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and also left click to this corner and to this corner. Okay, the first one in here is finished. And also the sink. Yes, the sink we change to 300. 300. Okay. Okay, and then we can see like in here the wardrobe is on the left side. So in here we can also use this board like here. Okay, also use this one, and the wardrobe depth including the door is uh also should be 600. Yes. So firstly, we left click this one and left click in here, left click in this corner, and then we move our mouse to this to this wall, and uh, we can see the in here we need to change the value. Uh, just enter the 600 and then click the enter, and then the height is 4,000. It's default. We use this value is okay, and also click enter. Okay, in here we can see the ceiling in here is finished. It's created in here. Also, the sink changed to 300. Okay, okay, and then okay, next one in here we can use a ceiling model. In here, you can see this is the different models. We can use no one of ceiling in here. Wait a minute. Uh, like this one. The code is A580. This one A580. We can enter. We can enter the code in here and click and click the enter. We can see we can only search this select. Okay, left click in here. Also use the same method. Okay. Okay, we don't move to the Y down corner first, because in here uh we need to make the uh curtain in here, um, and this value the curtain's depth should be 150. Okay, in here we need to change the ceiling from here, from the ceiling to this wall should be 150. Okay, and the sink also change to 300. Hmm. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Okay, and then we click the save and exit. Okay, we can see this is the ceiling. The ceiling is finished. Okay, next one is the floor. The floor, yesterday we used the tiles, right? And today we need to use the wooden floor. Uh, and today we use another method to create the wooden floor. Like we can see, firstly we left click the floor first, and we can see the toolbars in here. We delete the texture mask, the texture methods in here. Click this delete, and left click this one. We can see this toolbar and click this delete. Okay, and then in the decker option in here, we can see the texture catalog, and then we click this catalog, cloud texture. Okay, cloud texture in here we can use the and then in the standard catalog, and we can find like this one A0229, this code. Okay, firstly we left click, and then and then we apply to the floor, just left click to the floor in here. Okay, yeah, this wooden floor is in here. And if we okay, and because we use this method, the vendor will more realistic. Okay, okay. You can save the things. Okay, and then we need to create a wardrobe. And next one is the wardrobe. We change the angle to here. Okay, change to here. Okay, firstly, okay, firstly, at the right, the feeder we can edit in the last time. Okay, in the last. So we need to create a wardrobe first in here. The first wardrobe is this one, the right, the right. Okay, firstly we can enter the wardrobe size first. Like the width, we use 450. And the depth means the wardrobe inner depth. So it is not including it is not include a door. So the depth should be 580. And the height, the height we can see the height from the floor to the ceiling. In here it should is 2,700, and we need to add a feeder on the top. The feeder should be 50 mm, so the height should be 2,650 here. Oh, we can see uh, there are no data. It means this size cannot use in this catalog, so we need to use this catalog, the ultra high cabinet. The ultra height means the height uh, is upper is more than 2,000 and 2,400. We need to use this catalog. Okay, okay, and then we can find this one. We can find this code. And the default is wide open, so we can use this switch mirror means change to the wide open. The depth is left open. Okay, we use this one. Okay, we lay out first in here. Okay, move left, and then in here from the cabinet to this wall should be 18. Okay. Okay. Okay, and then we open the door to see the inner. Okay, it means like this. There are many panels in here. We can also delete it, but we can see like we click into this component mode, and then we select select this one, and we can delete it, right? Like this one. We cannot delete because we can see the back. We can see the back panel. It means this panel is connected this two back panel. So this one we cannot delete it. But the next line, this panel can delete. This also cannot. Means this is also the connect panel. Okay, this one also can delete. Okay, and in here, if we want to change the panel height, we need to back to the entity mode. The entity mode. Okay, the entity mode. And then we left click this cabinet. We can see the white side in here. This is the toolbar. The toolbar in here. We can see there are the last two options. It means this panel height and this panel height, like this one. Like we change to 2,000. Okay. Oh, here we can. Oh, like here we can change it. Now we change it. And the next one is this one. This one like we change to 1 1 0 0. Okay. So I thought okay in here like because we change this height, so this panel, the audio panel can delete. Okay. Okay, and then we can see we can see the top panel in here. We can see there are the edge in here because we use the filler. So this edge we can delete. How to delete? Also in the right side in here, like here, the top filler height. The default the default is including the edge. So we need to change to the no edge, no filler in here because uh, we need to add a filler. Okay, okay, and then this is the first workshop. Okay, next one on the on his right on his left, we can add the two doors workshop. Two doors workshop. Okay, the width is 900 and the depth is also 580. Height also 2,650 K. Okay, we also like use this one. So use this one. Okay, the same method. Firstly, we change we change this top feeder height to this option, the no feeder option. Okay, we open the doors to see the inner. Then on here we can also add, yeah, also delete the panel. Like this one. Oh, we can now delete this one also can delete it because also these two panel we can see is the kinetic panel. Okay, okay. We back to the entity in on the top toolbars here. Okay, back to the entity mode, and then the the panel height. This panel height also use the same methods on the left side. Sorry, on the right side, two bars in here. It change it to 1,001 zero zero. Okay, and then we also delete this one. Okay, 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 and then we create another cabinet. Here, base cabinet. Okay, we also enter the width first. The width is 450, 450, and then the depth also 580. Okay, the height, and this is the low height cabinet, the base cabinet. Okay, and then the height should be 600. Okay, it should be 600, and then we see the base cabinet in here first. The base cabinet, and then we use this one, the single row for this one. We use the left open. Okay, and then in here the countertop type, because in here, in here we can see there are the drawer on here, so the countertop we don't need it. The in here we use the first option. Select the first option, no countertop. Okay, okay, and then this is use the default. Okay, and then we create the drawer in here first. The drawer height, we change to one. We see the 180 drawer height. Oh, we can see download the drawer option. So in here, we found in other catalogs. We, okay, we can see the functional, this one, functional catalog. Then the desk frames, we use this one. The code is this one. Okay, okay, we use this one. And then we move to on move on this cabinet. Okay. Okay, and then in here you can see there are two desks on the left. Also, so we create the next one. Okay, the width. We can see the width from this desk to this wall is 1,000. So we use 1,000 width. Okay, also layout. Okay, layout first in here, and then move the height. Move to here. Okay. Okay. Okay, and then the next is this cabinet. Means this cabinet. The width also 450, and then the height. We can see the height. We can use this dimension. Use this dimension. Okay. The first one. On firstly, we left click this ceiling, and then next one we put into here. We can see the height is 1895. So in here we have 50 mm 50 mm filler. So the height should be 1845. Okay. Okay, and then we go to this catalog. Use the wall cavity because this cavity is on here, so we need to use the wall cavity. Okay, use this one. Okay, lay out in here first, and then we change the direction. Okay, change the location in here. Okay, 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 and then in here, uh, uh, on the last option in here, also we also change this top feeder height to no feeder in here. Okay, okay, and then we add the feeder in the right side. Okay, the feeder width is 18 and the depth no need to enter. The height should be from the floor to the ceiling. Is 2,700. Okay, then found this catalog, the feeder catalog. Then we use this one. Sorry, you use this one. Okay, put into here. Okay, and then we can see the Y side. In here we can see there the place cabinet side, and in here it is on the Y side. So we need to change this option to the Y side. Okay, and then the top feeder we use this function and line, and then the ceiling feeder. And then select these cabinets. Select this cabinet, and the height is 50 mm. Okay, and then click the generate. Okay, okay, we can see it is finished. Okay, this filler is finished. And then we add a mirror in here. A mirror. Okay, the width is 1,000. And then the height is uh, also use this dimension. Then dimension function, and this is the height. We enter the height first, and then the width. Mm. Okay, and then we okay, and then we found a mirror in a minute. Okay, in here the feeder in here. We can see the mirror. Okay, this is the mirror. and then we use this one, okay, and then this one, and then the next, the Y side, this value we all change to 0. Okay, 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 and then we the board of design is finished. Okay, and then we change the color. Okay, we change the color. The carcass color. Firstly, we change the carcass color. Uh, we can we select the first one. Okay, here the material replace and the carcass material. Carcass material in here is we see there are GDF. There are many colors. Today we use this one, GDF MR Sky Grade. We use this one, the Sky Grade. The Sky Grade. Oh, we can. Next one also use the same Sky Grade, and this one and this one. Except the drawers. The drawers we can use another color. Okay. We use another color to match this one. We use this mountain agent animate. This one. Or if you like, you can use another color. It's okay. Okay, and then the drawer, door handle, the door style, the drawer style. We use this one. Okay, left click. This one we can in all catalog in here. We can see there are many different door style in here. Like mm, today we use this one A119. A119. This one A119, and then we can see the handle. The handle. We can see the pictures in here. The handle is on the top, and we need to use this. Need to use this door code. Need to use this code A119 JDT. Okay, we also use this color. Okay, and we can see the handle. The handle is in here. Okay, and this Java also use the same A119 JDT, and then this color. Okay. Okay, and then it changes. Oh, we also change the feeder color, the top feeder color. We also use the sky gray, and this one also use the sky gray. Okay, this one also is the sky gray. Okay, and then and then we change this, the wardrobe door styles. Okay, firstly we also change the Y first. Change the Y first. Okay, here also use the O. Uh, this one we can use today we use A83 in here. A83 door style. Or you use another door styles is okay. Because they are the wide open, so the wide open code is this one. It's different. It's different from the left open. So firstly, we click this one and then select the modern gray. Use this color. Then we use this color. Then the next one, we just mentioned, the left, the left and the right, the door code is different. So we need to use the component to change these two door styles. Firstly, we change the wide open door first. Okay, use the component, and then use right here. In here we can use the classes. The classes, uh, a in here there are the classes catalogs. Aluminum frame glass door. Can use this catalog. Okay. It was A1041, this one. And in here, we can see there are the A104 and R. R means the wide opened. So we also use this color. And the glasses is in here, the door inner. We can use this gray glasses. Here we can use this gray glasses. And then the left open also use the same code, A104. Okay, and A104 L. L means the left opened. Okay, okay, the glasses also use the gray glasses. Okay, this one and next one we left click this. Okay, this use the A83, and we can see the handle because the handle we need to on the downside, so we need to use this code. We use the modern gray, then A83. This handle should on the top side. On the top, we can find this one. Okay, 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 and this color change is finished. Okay, we back to the entity. Okay, save the things. Okay, and then in this in this store so in this cabinet we can add the code set lines on here. We use the component, the hanger. Sorry, use the component, and then we can find the wardrobe catalog and the wardrobe. Okay, and then we can see there are the code set line with light, and this is no with the light. Okay, and we can use this one with the light, and then into here, and it will add automatically. And the size it will calculate automatically. Okay, and then we close the doors. Okay, Okay, and then go to the wall panel. Is we change to this angle first. Change to this angle, and then we left click the wall. In here, we can see the background wall. Okay, use the first option. 每家wall panel that use this one. Okay, and then we found wall panel first. This one. Uh, mm, oh, we can use this one. QFB B0 B0667 B. We use this one. QFB B067. Okay, we put out lay out in here first, and then we click the finish. Uh, in here we change the size right here. Okay, okay, and then in here we move this wall panel first. Move to here. Okay, and then we change the size. We can also use the dimension to measure from this wall to this cabinet. Okay, okay, and then because there is the curtain in here, so the size should be 5,750. Okay, okay, and then in here we can see there are the light strip, the wheel elastic. There are the light strip in here, but the models there are no light strip. So firstly, we need to add the light strip to here. Okay, and then we use this decker, and then the cow models. And the cow model, and then we can find the lighting, and then the lamp. And in here, we can find the light strip. Oh, in here, the light strips. You can use the warm color, the warm light, like this one. Okay. And then firstly, we put in here. Okay, and then we change the width to same as the wall panel, like five, five of 3,750. Okay, the depth change to pink. Okay, and then we move the light strip to the convert direction. Okay, line here. Okay, 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 it's in here. Okay, and then we change the wall panel color. the wall panel color. In here, we left click this one and we can see there the door panel. The door panel option means these two color, and we can see there are two options. And we can change one first. Okay, like this one. The first one, and we change this one, this color. Okay. The next second one means this option. Okay, this one, we can use another color. Okay, okay, use this color. Okay, we use this color. Okay, and then we add the bed in here. The bed deck. Add a bed. Okay, and in here the custom use the loose furniture. Loose furniture. LF means the loose furniture. And then the products. The products, and with in here the bed. Okay, and like this one, we can use the first one. Okay, and apply. Sorry, we need to battle 2D first because in here we can edit more easily. Okay, apply it. Then we move to here. Okay, battle 3D, and we can see there are only the flame. And then we need to add the bedding, the pillow on the bed. Okay. We also use the decker and then the cloud models and the ornaments. Ornaments in here, they are the bedding. Okay. Can use like this one. The first one. Okay, firstly we add in here first. Then we move the move the move the location. Okay, move to here, and then we can also change the width. Width change to 2,700. Okay, 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 like this. It's okay. Okay, and then we add the yeah, we add the nice standing. You can add a nice standing here. Also use a loose furniture in the products and beside the back side table in here. We use this one. Here we use this option and apply it at here, and this one at here. Here. Okay. Finally, sorry, the next one we add the curtains in here. Okay, we need to change to this angle first. Choose to this angle, and then we use the decker, and the cloud model, and the ornaments, the curtains, ornament, and this. the curtains. And the double curtains, it means left side and right sides. Um, okay, and then we found mm, this one, these curtains. Okay, we put into here first. Okay, and then we change the width. The width we need to change to same as this wall. This wall is 4,000, right? So we need to change this curtains width to 400, 4,000. Sorry. Okay, and we move. Okay, and then the height, because the model, so the height should change need to change in here. The second option need to change to here also. 3,000. Okay. Okay. Oh, we can also add more. Okay. Okay, and then okay, and then like this color, if we don't like it, this is a brown color, right? If you want to change this color, how to change? Needs We can use this function. Material. Firstly, we left click this material, and then we left click this brown color, and then in here we left click this map. Then in here we can change the color. Okay, use the fabric, and then the soiled color. The soil color, we can use gray. This one, the gray color. Okay. Okay, and then we add the decker on this table. Okay, back to decker, and then the the elements. Also use this catalog. Use this catalog, and then we can find the table cabinet uh, direction combinations in here. There are many models in here. Like we add this one to here and add others here. Oh, okay. And there are many models in here. We can use others models is okay, and just for the rendering. And in here, in this model, cannot be self just for the rendering. Okay. And change the direction. We Then we add a lamp, and the lighting, a lamp. We can find the desk lamp. The desk lamp. Mm, like this one. He- Here also use this. If you want to change the direction, we left click this one, and then the mirror. We can use this option, left and right mirror. Okay, so the direction is changed here. Okay, also add the stood furniture, and then the chairs, the stood, the dressing stood, and like this one. Okay, and then we save. And we save the scenes. Okay, okay. After add the direction, the decoration, then we can uh render the try to render. We use this one, uh, the professional mode. Okay, firstly we change our angle to adjust our angle. This one, the first one is this angle. Okay, after we adjust, and then we save the viewpoint, save the angle. And then this is the first angle. The first angle, and then the next angle, we can use this angle, this angle, then save it. The next one, we use this ray tracing mode because this mode is faster. The render speed is faster. We can use the 4K accuracy, and then the template we use the normal. And the light, we use the first one, the default is okay. And the sunlight, we can see, we can turn on the preview. We can see the sunlight is brightening from, it's brightening. Okay, if we want to change the sunlight, we can change back to 2D. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. The sunlight, turn on the preview, we can adjust this, adjust this, this one, adjust this option. We can drag the sun in here. Right, this one. Okay, the sunrise, the color temperature, change the color temperature. Okay, and then the exterior view means this means these pictures means these pictures, and then we can use another pictures like this one or others, or the white. Okay, like this one. Or default is this one. Okay, default is this one, and then at once can turn on this one real-time dialing, real-time material, and this one and this one. We can also open it, and then we can after we setting, we can submit the rendering. Okay, patch submit, and select this true angle. Then click the confirm, waiting to submit. Okay, and then we back to the query. We can see this is we just submit its rendering. Okay, we can go to the panel mirror. Panel mirror here. At panel mirror in here. Okay, left click, and then we back to 2D. We can select. We can change this angle. The first angle is in here. The first angle we can change to inside, more inside, and this angle we change to the middle. Change to the middle. Okay, and then also use the ray tracing and the mode. We can use 6K or 8K is okay. Okay, the template and the light, the sunlight, uh, and the exterior view and the advanced. Okay, after we set it, we can submit. Oh, sorry. We need to change our angle inside the bedroom. Okay. Okay. We can also get the 2D to submit the angle. Okay. After we after we submit, we can see the panorama is in here rendering. Okay. We need to render the pictures. Okay. Maybe okay, finish. It is finished. We can see this is the rendering. Okay, if you want to uh, beautify the rendering, you can also use this one, like this one, the AI beautified. Okay, like we can enter our requirements, right? And now, like this one, it is the daylight, the date, the daylight mode. We can tell tell it change to night mode and add more warm lighting. Okay, and then we submit. And then we submit. We can see the AI vendor is in here. We can see this is we just submit. Okay, this is also we can enter another requirements, right? Change uh, we can see change the picture more realistic. Okay, and we can see the AI vendor like this one. This one is just we submit. We can see it is changed to the night mode, and the lighting is warmer here. Okay, the next one is generating. Okay, refresh and see. And this is after the AI vendor. We can compare this one. This one. Okay, it seems the pictures is clearly more clear. Okay, okay, and then this is finally we can create a quotation. The quotation is in here, and then automatically to add the quotation. And the quotation, the currency in here. Sorry, we will save this. The currency now uh we have the dollar and the euro and the RMB and the TWD here. Okay. Now the default we use the English version. The default currency is USD, is dollar. Okay. Now this is the quotation. Okay, and then the CD drawing we can use in here. The others and then the drawings we can use the auto groups. Okay, this is the drawing, the CD drawing in here. We can also download DWG or pictures, and just prevent our rendering. We can also download to our desktop. And then the Premiere. Okay, the Premiere in here. You can check it. Okay, we can see this is the Premiere. Okay. In here we can copy this link. This link, this link we can see their ID. Their IDs is only for this 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 panel mirror, and this only the only one ID. So we can copy this ID to our customer to see the effects. Okay. Okay, and then do you have any questions?
No, I think we're good for today. It's
Okay,
a fruitful day training. It's very detailed. Thank you.
okay, okay.
And this
And
will also be saved via YouTube, like the one you saved yesterday, correct?
the,
Recording.
yeah, yeah, yes. The recording will upload to the YouTube.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Good day.
Okay, thank you.